one. Hi guys, it's Minato. Now we're going to do something very magic. It's not a green watermelon. It's egg, not real egg.
Today you got special egg.
Wait, close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, open.
Okay.
Wow!
Today what you got?
Boogie googie googa.
This is egg. It says safe egg.
Huh?
It says safe egg.
Safe egg?
Yes, because this egg we can put in the rice.
Oh.
This egg we can put on the rice and eat without
Wait,
heating.
we need a scissors.
Without heating, we can eat this egg. It's safe.
Here. I must cut this thing.
Okay, it's called TAMAGO KAKE GOHAN. We don't need to heat the egg. We don't need to cook. We just put the egg on the rice and eat with soya sauce.
Okay.
It's so yummy.
I think it's hot.
No, the egg is cold
How do you know?
because we keep in the fridge. What?
Wow.
How they look like? They just look like the normal egg. Okay, so
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
yes. Okay, so Minato, can you crack the egg? You choose one egg. One egg.
I don't want to crack.
Why?
I don't want to say.
So I cracked the egg for you? Okay. It's just a normal egg. Looks like normal egg, but you can eat without heating. Okay?
Put it.
Let's try.
Put. Oh. Everyone, we put the egg already, so we must stir. How to stir so much?
Just stir the egg.
Cut.
Yeah, can.
Cut. Wait.
Mix, mix.
Fine. Oh, let me see.
More.
We're going to put the soya egg.
Yeah, let's.
Yeah, I sure have.
Just a little bit. Put the soya
How?
sauce. Ay.
How to put a little bit?
Okay, so now you can put on the rice.
How?
Just pour. Wait. I take out the. Wow. Okay. Wow, Minato. Wow. It looks like this.
Oh my god.
You try? So nice.
Huh? So nice? Okay.
Wow, first time trying the tamago kake gohan raw egg rice.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
How is it? Really? Really, you don't like? I think if you put more soy sauce, it's nicer. Try. Let's try.
Too much.
Okay. Let's try this soy sauce part. Okay. Wow, Minato, look. So nice. Try. This is the popular way to eat rice in Japan. Good? Also, we just didn't put enough soy sauce. That's why Minato didn't like. With more soy sauce, it's nicer. Yeah. I also want to try. Can I? Oh, I'm eating so nice. Oh, I feel like I'm in Japan now. So yummy. This is so yummy, Minato. I love it.
This also so yummy.
Minato. What's the name of this egg?
Bundiku.
Come back.
What is that?
It's a tamago kake gohan. No, tamago kake gohan is the name. You like it?
Yeah. And if you put a lot of soy sauce, it's yummy. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Turn the bell,
Subscribe, you said.
turn the bell and subscribe my video. Bye.